Hey everyone, I'm Trent with L2L's marketing team, and with me today is Devin, one of our most experienced product managers on the team. How's it going, Devin?
Doing well, thanks, Trent.
So Devin and the product team work hard every day to bring you guys the features and functionalities that you need to improve your shop floor productivity. But sometimes those features don't get the marketing attention that they deserve. So today, I'm going to give Devin the chance to talk to you about 3 features that might have gone unnoticed in the past couple months. Devin?
Thanks, Trent. My development team is working really hard to improve the experience for a technician on the plant floor. So our job is to make the technician more efficient. There are 3 things that we've built recently that will help the technicians become more efficient. The first thing that we've added is a sort menu. And this will allow you to sort the dispatches on the tech portal by a couple of fields like the created date or by a scheduled date. And the second thing we've added is the scheduled date to the tech portal. This will allow technicians who are working on PMs to be able to sort their work by the scheduled date so they can know which order to do their work. And we are currently working on the machine landing page. The machine landing page is a place where technicians can go to do research on a machine. You'll be able to look at the current uptime, MTBF, MTTR, look at the current dispatches that are open, and also do some research into what's going on with the machine.
Thanks, Devin. That machine landing page sounds really exciting. I can't wait to see it. If you guys have suggestions about other features you'd like to learn more about, please go to support.l2l.com and you can communicate directly with Devin and the rest of the product team. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, everyone.